Hi guys, it's Donnie here. We're tipping for Gravel on Sunday. We're recapping Turffontein quickly. I think all went well. The double 22 to 10 came home for us. Turn it up with Gimme the Spotlight. Really hope you guys got on there and made some cash for tomorrow. I'm going to start off Gravel's race meeting in race 2. Pressure point 33 to 10. Very unlucky last time. I think if it gets a good running transit from a much better draw here, should be very, very hard to beat. My value bet in race 3, Princess Trippy. I think only the draw to overcome. If this was well drawn, I would have made this a good thing. If it gets a good running transit, should be hard to stop. Best bet, race 10, position of power, 22 to 10. Alison Wright, Keegan DeMello took on stronger the previous run. And I think this is going to be very, very hard to beat and a bank in all bets. My play for the day would be take Pressure Point for a win, Position of Power for a win, and Princess Trippy for a place. That would net you about 18 to 1 for the treble, and all three for wins would get you about 62 to 1 on the treble. Come on guys, I think this is a nice bet and I think we can have a go here. Cheers, have a good day.
Hi guys, this is the Punters Rabbit again. Trust you all well. Weather a bit gloomy here in Joburg. Hope it's better at Gravel. We go for our place strike in Gravel as follows. Race 4, St. Bridget. Race 5, Sasha's Dream. Race 6, T-Dog. Race 7, Canal Scatter. And race 10, Position of Power. If these all come in, we might be in a good position of power for our next race meeting. Stay safe and happy punting.
What's up, guys? It's Ashley. This is the preview for Sunday, Gravel's grass track. I'm going to take a treble. It's a nice little card, this actually. I'm going to start in race 2 with Beyond All Doubt. It's an MJ Oudendale horse, ran a nice cracker, had some time off, Chad Little aboard. Then I'm going to go into race number 3, Littling Song. Also Chad Little aboard for Greg Kotson. I think those both give some nice value. And then I'm going to go into number 6, number 2, Haiku, Hollywood Horse. Or if you could take this treble, there'll be some nice value. I really like the last 3 runs with these horses. I think they've got some super value. You can play them straight each on the head, and then you can play them as a treble. But I think if that treble comes home, you're in the money and have a super Sunday, and hopefully you can break that piggy bank like I say every time. Booyah!
Good evening to all the Glistian viewers out there. Michael Azar here. Tonight we preview Sunday, 21st of March's Gravel card, Gravel turf track. Let's go straight into the card. I like the first timer in race number 1, number 7, Prize Possession. Vengi Masawi trained Sean Veal, son of Vercingetorix. Must be showing some good work at home. There's been some support for this horse, and I think it'll win tomorrow. Then we move on to race 6, number 9, Tobacconist. Sean Veal, MJ Oudendale. There's been some money for it, and it's a hard-knocking type of horse. Feel he'll run a big race tomorrow. Then for a bit of value, race 7, number 10, Canal Scatter. Dean Kannemeyer, Craig Zaki. Feel this horse has got some ability. Although he's jumping from a wide draw, I think he's a good value bet. Then we move on to race 10, number 2, Position of Power. Keegan DeMello, Alison Wright, probably the best bet on the card. So guys, you can mix these bets up, multiples. I think race 1, number 7, Prize Possession, and race 10, number 2, Position of Power are the 2 best on the day. Enjoy it, guys. Get your bets on at soccershop.bet. Let's make some money tomorrow, guys. Cheers. God bless.